Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robust for men and women. The Robust brand provides various supplements tailored for different needs. Some products are specifically designed to support male vitality and sexual wellness. However, there is also a distinct product called Robust Energy, which is formulated to provide a daily energy boost for both men and women. It is crucial to understand the differences between these offerings to ensure correct and safe usage. For the Robust supplement specifically formulated for men's vitality, the recommended dosage is typically 1 to 2 tablets. You should take these tablets approximately 2 hours before engaging in intimate activity. For optimal results, it is best to ingest the supplement with warm water on an empty stomach. If you are currently taking any other medications, please consult with a healthcare professional before starting Robust for men. Robust Energy is a versatile dietary supplement designed to boost energy levels for both men and women. The recommended usage is 1 capsule daily, ideally taken in the morning. For the best absorption and effect, consume the capsule with warm water before your first meal of the day. This particular supplement is formulated to provide energy from essential nutrients, offering a boost without relying on caffeine. When using any Robust product, safety is paramount. It is very important that the male-specific Robust supplement is not used by women or children. If you experience any persistent or concerning side effects, please stop using the product immediately. Always consult a doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Remember to store all Robust supplements in a cool, dry place, safely out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.